This is a follow-up to my review comparison on the features between three Pioneer Carry backpacks, the Panda, the Duration, and the Savant pack. In this video, I want to focus on a packing demonstration where I have a big pile of gear, packing cubes, some tech pouches. I'll pack up each of these bags so you can see how much stuff will fit in them and how to pack them. In my comparison video, I showed you these were all personal item size bags ranging in capacity from 25 down to 18 liters. These bags have a similar interior packing style. However, the outside organization, orientation, and number of pockets is going to vary. So to demonstrate that, I'll pack each bag with packing cubes and gear to show you the packing style, starting out with the largest Panda pack. This bag has the largest capacity in the main compartment, giving you the ability to fit some pretty good size packing cubes and gear in here. One of my favorite packing cubes, the Peak Design Medium Compression Cube. This will fit in here, however, it's bulging out of the top a little bit. So for me, this cube is just a little bit too big for this bag. Of all the cubes in my collection, these Matador packing cube set I think works the best in here. This is the large size, about 11.5 by 10. A little bit slimmer than the other one, about 4 inches deep. Combining that one, you can either put the small or I have the medium here. It's a little bit tight, but these two packing cubes pretty much perfectly fill the main compartment in this bag without being too tall. Another set of packing cubes that works really well in here is Six Moons Designs. These are a little bit thinner, lightweight. 2 of those, also going to pretty much fit perfectly in the main compartment. Go Next cubes, these are also compression cubes. These are going to fit in here, take up the space top and bottom and to the sides pretty well. However, these are a little bit smaller, don't stick out quite as much, so you do have a little bit of room here on the top if you want to stick on a light jacket or something. The cubes you decide to put in here is going to determine how much room you have to fit in these pockets. If you're kind of maxing out here, not going to have a lot of space, because if you are, then putting stuff in here might press into these top pockets. And this bag is great because you have a lot of external small gear organization, so unless you have something really big and bulky to put in these pockets, you should have enough room in all these exterior pockets for all your small gear. The Pioneer Carry pouch works perfectly here. It's designed with this bag, so it fits perfectly in this top pocket, or you can also stick it in this bottom pocket with a little bit of room here on the top. You still have this large front pocket. I'm gonna put kind of a minimalist toiletry bag in there, and another small pouch. Hopefully max that out. Now you still have all the room in these side pockets. They're not incredibly tall, but they're fairly wide, large, 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. Get a charger cord, a couple of snacks. On the other side, a little simpler, I'm just gonna stick my sunglasses in there. This is what the Panda pack looks like with all that gear I had in there, fully packed out for a long weekend or a short business trip. And I weighed this on my travel scale. It's about 12.7 pounds, 5.75 kilograms. And again, I took this bag on a long weekend trip to Las Vegas. The comfort carry was great for walking around all day. Next, I'll move down to the Duration. This is technically the smallest bag in the Pioneer Carry lineup, just 18 liters. However, the organizational style between this and the Panda pack is very similar. It has a similar main compartment organization, has similar front pockets. They're just a little bit smaller. It's just missing those side organizational pockets. Same setup here, but you can see it's a little bit thinner from the side, so those fatter packing cubes aren't going to fit. You can see this is a Matador that fit perfectly in the Panda pack. It's kind of sticking out a little bit tall on the Duration. But there are some packing cubes that will work. For example, those Six Moons that I had in the Panda pack. This one was a little bit underpacked, so that one is going to fit in here fine, but I feel this one pretty full, so you kind of need to underpack these a little bit to get them to fit in this pocket. These packing cubes by Compass Rose, kind of a tall, skinny design, a little bit thinner. These are good for rolling up socks and underwear, t-shirt. These are going to fit pretty much perfectly in the main compartment. They're not too tall, so they're not going to stick out. You have a little bit of space here on the top for a little pouch or a toiletry kit. These medium Go Next cubes also work well. These are compression, so you can fit a little bit more in here. These also aren't too tall, so you can fit 2 without sticking up over the edge too much. And with all these configurations, depending on what kind of gear you're carrying, you can use 2 cubes or a combination of 1. Leave yourself a little bit of room on the top for some pouches, toiletry bags, big sweater, or the bulky gear. And you still have plenty of room in these top pockets for small gear. The Pioneer Carry pouch is not going to fit in the top pocket, but it's going to fit in the bottom pocket nicely. A little bit more room on the top. I'm just going to put this as a little travel razor case just to show you the capacity here. So still quite a bit of room in this pocket. Top pocket, a little bit smaller, small gear organization, charger, cords, battery packs, maybe a few snacks, a pair of sunglasses, all gonna fit up there. This is what the duration looks like, fully packed, all that gear I had in there. So great short trip, weekend personal carry bag. The weight I have this thing packed out is about 10.4 pounds, 4.7 kilograms. And again, basically the same comfortable carry system as the Panda pack, just a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to switch over to the Savant pack. Remember, this has a similar interior compartment carry. It's a little bit thinner here, but we have a larger front pocket that is a majority of the volume of the pack. You can see we're getting progressively smaller on this main compartment. Almost none of these larger fat packing cubes are going to fit in here. Even these thinner Gonex cubes are sticking out of the top a little bit. Instead of trying to jam a packing cube in here, this pocket is going to be much better for just putting some individually rolled clothes. Pair of pants, you can fit a couple of button-up shirts in here, polo, shorts. Easily a wardrobe for a short weekend. This front pocket is really where the most of the volume on this pack comes from. You see you have more than half, maybe 2/3 of the volume, this entire pack right up here. This pocket is better for larger bulky gear, or you could use a packing cube if you wanted. For example, if you have your pants, button-up shirts, polos, and whatnot folded up in this back pocket, you could use these slimmer Compass Rose cubes, roll up your t-shirts in one, socks and underwear in another one. These are both easily going to fit in this top pocket with plenty of room right on top here for a little toiletry bag. But also, because this pocket is angled, it's going to work really great for shoes. Just a pair of Lems here, kind of your standard just walking running shoes. Those are going to fit in there nicely with the toes pointed up. You still have plenty of room in these pockets for smaller gear if you wanted to put stuff in these sleeves here, or plenty of room for a small pouch, or that's the Pioneer Carry Tech Cube. This is the Savant packed out with all that stuff. Underpacked a little bit compared to the other ones. There's still a bit of room in the front, but those shoes are kind of bulky. On my travel scale, this weighs in at 8.3 pounds or 3.8 kilograms. I hope that was a useful packing comparison between these three Pioneer Carry bags, the Duration, the Panda pack, and the Savant, which again have a lot of similarities in packing style, main compartment, laptop, carry system, all basically the same, but a lot of variation in the front pocket, organization, and orientation. That's all I have for this Pioneer Carry packing demo overview. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.